Yeah, so I'll be playing the role of Shandre Kyle. Been doing it for how many years now, pero Shandre Kyle Lopez and love interest in Nicole, which is she'll be playing Clara. And brother din ni Haya. So basically, yun lang naman. And after their book, kami naman ni Nicole, so the final niya last week. So yeah, game is there. Medyo nakakaba kasi ito na yung sign na kami na yung next, pero still enjoying yung part na wala pa. So medyo kalmado. Pero papunta na tayo sa sa sad part. So yeah.
My role is going to be Calix Jace Martinez, and as everybody knows in the present, he's a student not of this group, not of their group, pero galing Ateneo naman. Kasama ko naman dun sila Lance and Andre Frost, and in the future naman, in the present, I'm a lawyer. So I don't know yet if there's going to be any lawyer scene. There's probably going to be more school scenes, definitely.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ako po dito si Sebastian Vincent Camero, best friend po ni Arkin, and then group po ng Valeria High. So we're gonna start sa book nito kung paano po kami nag-meet ng high school. And then in the latter part, gonna be love interest of the Eddie. And then gonna be an engineer. Okay.
Hi everyone. My character name here is Clyden J. Ramirez, the oldest one in the group. So yeah, I'm a doctor, and as the eldest, I think I'm gonna be in my college era. I think in both the senior years tomorrow. So also the love interest of Samantha Vera in this book. That's all.
Hi everyone, I'm playing the role of Samantha Marine Vera, the social butterfly of the Barkada. Tulad na sinabi po ni Gab, part po kami ng Valeria High nung high school. So mag-start yung friendship namin doon. Actually, different year kami. Like, older kami ni Kresha here kaysa sa kanila. And then, yeah, in the present, model naman si Samantha. Thank you.
Hey guys! So, I play the role of Elise, Mora Elise Ledesma. In this series, I guess you will see her as she's like, I believe, freshly entering, high school. She's gonna be super young. But in the future, when she goes to college, she becomes a cheerleader, and also she becomes the CEO of her family. Yes, I'm the little sister of Sean.
Ako po si Kresha dito. Ako po si Ashana Kim Fernandez. They call me Yana. Sa college days nila, kilala siya as the feisty one, the wild one. During high school days, palaban pa din siya, pero di ko masagana yung petche. Kasi high school pa lang sila. And dito po, malalaman natin kung paano naging mag-best friend si Sam, character ni Sam, and paano naging mag-barkada yung Valeria High. Via, Sam, si Selvi, Kiera, and Luna. Kami yung magkakailan. And si Arkin! Sorry na, kasali siya. Ayun na.
Ayun po, ako daw, I play the role of Kiera Inez, and na-mention naman po nila, this is where you're gonna see paano kaming magiging magkaibigan. Dito niyo po makikita kung gaano kami kakulit kay Via, kami ni Luna, kay Kiera. So it is a very exciting and fresh, energetic energy na makikita niyo sa season na to. So, ayun po.
Okay? Maraming salamat po. Next up, from Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar. Over here in front.
Congratulations. I think nag-work with your chemistry now because you appear to be really good friends. So, kumusta yung relationship niyo off cam? Can you describe, are you total opposites or you have a lot of things in
We're friends po. And, lalo na dito sa series, we got to know each other more. And I think we still are. We still are getting to know each other more. And, pero I admit, dito sa series ito, talagang we became closer po. And, our opposites ba tayo? Parang sucks lang. Depende. Depende sa ano. Well, oo, depende. Depende. Kasi ano siya eh, like, he's very into arts. Ako po medyo maarte lang po ako. Tapos, like, kunwari, sa talagang healthy lifestyle, ako medyo lang po, mga ganun. Pero I think there are things naman na nagkakasundo na. Diba? Yan po.
May mga differences po kami and then tinatry namin i-influence yung isa't isa sa mga positive. Like, minsan sinasabihin, like parang iba in-encourage kita sa mga healthy things na dapat gawin. Tapos, lagi niya akong pinapakain ng pagkain sa set. So, lagi siya may pinapatik na pagkain sa akin doon. So, and okay naman po kami. We're friends. Sabi niya nga, we're friends. So, ayun po, okay lang po kami sa working relationship namin. Magaan lang and I think kasi before medyo may awkwardness kasi wala po kaming chance kasi wala kaming scene together sa other books. Wala din kaming masyadong chance din na to know more about each other. Ngayon po medyo kilala na namin yung isa't isa sa mga bagay-bagay. Ayun po. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Next up from Manila Times, we have Tessa Mauricio Ariola.
Thank you, Eka. I just want to ask the boys and the girls on this side, since we've heard a lot from Bea and Wilbur already. Syempre, some people kind of think that there's too many actors and actresses in the one set. Can you tell us how you guys get along when the cameras aren't rolling? Meron ba competition or is everybody friends? So maybe one or two from the girls and the guys. But maybe we can start with Lance.
Actually, there's no competition at all. We're very excited for Wilbert and Bea because it's their book, and of course, Jairus and Nicole on book 6. And then each book, kahit ako, nung kakapasok ko lang ng AOTD, sobrang naramdaman ko yung support ng bawat isa. And I'm really grateful that all of us have a supportive system, a good working relationship with each other as each book passes by. And for off-cam bonding, me and the boys, we go to the gym. And minsan may mga like eat-outs with the cast. Just to sum it all up, I'm just really grateful for all the support system that the 12 of us have right now. That's it.
Is there anybody else from the boys who'd like to say something in the name?
I just want to say I'm super grateful and blessed to make friends in this family because we're really proud of kung sino man may book, sobrang proud kami na sila na yung gaganap and we want to support them as much as successful as to be, and we don't want any competitions because at the end of the day, we're all family here, and the way we bonded off cam, me and the boys always play basketball in gym. Sometimes kami na with the girls, we eat. I think one time nagpa-hotpot sila sa bahay niya nung bonding namin, or sometimes we go out. And yeah, we're at the same time, we just want everyone to be successful, and we're really proud of Will Bayer and
Here, the girls naman, maybe two of you as well. if you could answer this question.
I remember I've mentioned this since, I guess since Safe Skies, since I first became a part of this family. I feel super lucky. My first big project ko, I'm a part of a cast that's so genuine. Walang competition. Everyone is just there to support each other. And because I was new, I appreciated how much they were there for me then. And they were there to guide me and support me, especially because I would get nervous because it's my first time for so many things. But yeah, no competition at all. Purely just love. Like sometimes in between work then we'll just be sitting and eating like, wait, what's the chismis? Or like, what's the chica? What's an update on your life? And yeah, super, super grateful and proud of Holbert today. I know it's gonna be so good. Already from the poster, diba? Right? Yes.
Anyone more?
Since the first book po, sobrang, I guess, we really learned to get along. It was really easy. Lalo na nung, I can never forget our Boracay trip. That's where we all really bonded. I mean, in the first book, the first cast. And then as the books, kept going, palaki na palaki yung pamilya namin. And we're lucky enough na napakabait ng mga nakakasama namin lahat. And kasi yung mga iba dito, mga nakatrabaho ko na rin po. So, kumbaga yung mga bago ko po nakakatrabaho, napakabait ng lahat. And yeah, everyone's just really supportive in and out of any show, not just here. Just so much love in this cast. And yeah, walang tastikan. Ewan ko lang, meron. Hindi, sobra po, malapit po lahat sila sa puso namin. Sana mutual.
Thank you. We'll hope everything stays that way throughout.
Thank you. Okay, very well said. Thank you so much po. Next up from the Philippine Star, we have Dolly Ann Carvajal.
Hi, Bea.